Subscribe to our channel Career Tutorial and press the bell icon to get the latest notification related to career and tips.
Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Career Tutorial. Friends, today I am going to talk about very important examination, that is IIT JAM, that is IIT Joint Admission Test, about which I will be talking in this video. So without any delay, let's begin this video. Friends, first of all, this examination is conducted by IIT to take admission in MSc courses in different IITs, NITs, some centrally funded institute and some other courses in IISc Bangalore. Actually, it is a national level examination conducted by IIT, and it is, you can say, similar to that of like GATE, because this examination is taken for getting admission in PG courses, that is after graduation you can appear at this examination and take admission in the different PG courses like MSc and integrated PhD as well as dual degree. A lot of different courses are offered through this examination. Talking about the eligibility criteria, that is, you must have bachelor degree with minimum of 55%, and for the reserved categories there is relaxation, that is 50% must be in their graduation degree, and the graduation degree with minimum of 3 years of courses must be there for appearing at this examination, and after qualifying you can take admission. And very important things that, like in the GATE examination there is more than 20 papers, that is 20 different, 25 or more than that branches, and the students from BE, BTech or different specialization can appear. But in this IIT JAM examination you can appear at the 7 only different subjects, that is specialization, that is like physics, chemistry, mathematics, biotechnology, economics, zoology and mathematical statistics. This year biotechnology, I think it has been changed with some other subjects and along with it, but it is just for the theoretical courses, because like MSc, if you want to appear and you want to go in the research field, in the teaching profession or government sector jobs, labs, not the labs, actually teaching field, research field, like that, then you can appear at this examination and do these courses. Well, it is very reputed exam and you can also know more about it visiting their official website, and every year it is conducted. And now let's talk about the pattern. It is online mode examination of 3 hours where 60 questions are asked, and total of 100 marks it is prescribed, whereas 30 MCQ questions and 10 MSQ multiple select questions, along with it 20 numerical based questions comes in this examination. So this is the basic outline of this examination, and if you are interested then you can appear and also fill its form. It is usually taken at the time when the GATE examination is taken, because both the examination are relatively actually taken by IITs and they are just like taken at the same time, not the same time but within 1 to 3 weeks, like differences is there. So along with that you can watch it. I have also made the video on the GATE examination. If you are interested then you can also check it. I will give it in the description box, you can check it out. And this was the small review, a small video in which I just acknowledge you with what the IIT JAM examination is, and you can know more about it, Google it and also surf it on the internet, read the articles, and if you are interested then you can also write this examination. So friends, thanks for watching the video. If you are new then subscribe to our channel and also press the bell icon to get the latest notification. And anyone who needs this type of video then also share to your friends and family and whoever needs. Thanks for watching.